How to change avatar in Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we're in this settings interface. Here on the top, you'll be able to see your avatar and your name. Now, simply tap on the avatar, and as you can see, this is the section where you can simply change it. Here, there are different avatars that you can select from, and here you can even select the frame that you want to have for your avatar, so you can customize it accordingly. At last, here on the bottom, simply tap on save. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the avatar is completely changed, so other friends and player will be able to view it as the same avatar. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.